Okay, as I mentioned, there's two parts to your float assignment. The first part is to take a picture of someone or something suspended in the air, and as you can see here, I am jumping. And what I had done is I had set the camera at on TV mode, which is shutter priority, and my suggestion is to set it at a speed of 250 or faster, depending on your light conditions. Obviously, the more light, the better. That's why my picture looks terrible, because it was very grainy and I had to use a high ISO, and you don't want to necessarily do that. So crank up your shutter speed, and you have to use a tripod. People got to get out of the habit of trying to hold the camera. It just isn't going to work. Use a tripod, and then that will guarantee that you'll capture someone or something making a fool of themselves. I mean, jumping in the air. So that's the first part of this. The second part is taking a picture of a background, and then a picture of the same background with someone or something suspended in the air. So in this case, I'm standing on a stool, and we're going to remove that in the next tutorial.